The Raptors taking on the Magic, and no Kyle Lowry tonight. And what's interesting about that, I've seen, oh my goodness, look at those crossover moves from Kawhi Leonard. Now he's got somebody leaning on a triple threat move, splash. I've seen Raptors fans tell me, or try to tell me, that somehow Kyle Lowry is more important to this team than Kawhi Leonard. And you look at tonight's game, everything is all good in that first half, but in the second half, it gets completely out of control. It makes no sense. They're really missing Kyle Lowry tonight. The Magic are going to go to work in the second half, but still in the first. Look at Kawhi Leonard going coast to coast to finish that one. He scored 21 points in this game. Vucevic for the Magic, he had a monster game. 30 points, 20 rebounds, 8 assists, a near triple-double. They just couldn't figure out how to stop that man. And that's pretty much the story of this game. You see the scoreboard, it's already out of control. In that second half, it was like the Raptors just gave up. Even though Kawhi's on the court, all the starters are on the court. Vucevic again getting the and one. Now they're going to leave Simmons open for three. He misses, but it's rebounded by the big fella and he stuffs it. Uh-oh, got a reaction from Lowry. Oh, I turned around Lowry. Give that guy a map. Where are you going? I turned around Lowry just like we turned around this game. What a comeback.